Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you the industrial furniture design ideas for your home decor. Watch the video until the end to see our selection and get inspiration. Industrial furniture design is a popular style that has been gaining popularity in recent years. It is characterized by its raw, unfinished look, and its use of materials such as metal, wood, and concrete. In this video, we will explore some of the different types of industrial furniture design ideas that you can use to create a unique and stylish space. One of the most popular types of industrial furniture design is the use of reclaimed wood. This type of wood is salvaged from old buildings, barns, and other structures, and is often full of character and history. Reclaimed wood can be used to create a variety of different pieces, including tables, chairs, and shelving units. Another popular type of industrial furniture design is the use of metal. Metal is a durable and versatile material that can be used to create a wide range of different pieces, from chairs and tables to lighting fixtures and decorative accents. Metal furniture can be left raw and unfinished, or it can be painted or coated to create a more polished look. Concrete is another material that is often used in industrial furniture design. Concrete furniture is durable and long-lasting, and it can be molded into a variety of different shapes and sizes. Concrete tables, chairs, and benches are popular choices for outdoor spaces, while smaller concrete accents can be used to add an industrial touch to indoor spaces. Furniture design. Concrete furniture is durable and long-lasting, and it can be molded into a variety of different shapes and sizes. Concrete tables, chairs, and benches are popular choices for outdoor spaces, while smaller concrete accents can be used to add an. Whatever your style, it's sure to be an industrial design ideas that will work for you. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing the channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in the comments section and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. We will post daily videos on furniture design and decor ideas for your home decor or to your specific interest on decor preference and inspiration. Modern and stylish industrial furniture design preferences. To achieve a modern and stylish industrial look in your furniture design, consider the following tip. 1. Sleek lines. Opt for furniture pieces with clean and sleek lines. Avoid ornate details and instead focus on simple, minimalist design. 2. Mix of materials. Incorporate a mix of materials such as metal, wood, and concrete to create visual interest. Consider using a combination of these materials in one piece of furniture for a contemporary look. 3. Neutral color palette. Stick to a neutral color palette with shades like gray, black, white, and earth tones. These colors complement the industrial aesthetic and create a modern feel. 4. Industrial accents. Add industrial accents such as exposed metal hardware, rivets, or distressed finishes to give your furniture pieces an authentic industrial look. 5. Functional design. Prioritize functionality in your furniture design. Industrial style often emphasizes practicality and utility. So choose pieces that serve. 6. Reclaimed materials. Consider using reclaimed or repurposed materials to add character and sustainability to your furniture. Look for salvaged wood, reclaimed metal, or upcycled industrial components to create unique pieces with a rich history. 7. Open shelving. Incorporate open shelving into your furniture design to showcase the industrial aesthetic. Open shelving allows for a more airy and minimalist look while also providing an opportunity to display decorative industrial elements. 8. Mix textures. Experiment with different textures such as smooth metal surfaces, rough-hewn wood, and matte finishes to create depth and visual contrast in your furniture pieces. 9. Industrial lighting. Consider integrating industrial-style lighting elements into your furniture design. This could include exposed bulbs, metal cage shades, or vintage-style fixtures to enhance the overall industrial ambience. 10. Geometric shapes. Embrace geometric shapes and angular forms in your furniture design. Incorporating elements like clean angles, sharp edges, and asymmetrical compositions can contribute to a modern industrial aesthetic. By incorporating these elements into your furniture design, you can create a modern and stylish industrial look that reflects contemporary design sensibilities while paying homage to industrial heritage. Dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked some of industrial furniture design ideas that you can create your own DIY projects or the best of your home decor. If you are enjoying our content, please consider subscribing and share the channel to your friends and family so that it could reach wider audience. We post daily videos on furniture design and decor ideas. See you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.